In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Airbnb listing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you can change, and how to make updates that help your place stand out and book more nights. Start by signing into your host account on Airbnb.com. If you're using the Airbnb app, open your profile and switch to hosting mode so you can see your host tools. Once you're in hosting, head to your listings. On desktop, open the menu, choose listings, and select the property you want to edit. On mobile, tap listings and pick the place you'd like to update. This takes you to your listing dashboard. Look for the edit listing option. Inside, you'll see sections you can work on, including photos, title, description, pricing, amenities, location, and availability. Click or tap the area you want to update and make your changes one section at a time. Let's start with the title. Keep it clear, specific, and benefit driven so guests instantly understand what makes your place appealing. Something like modern 1BR condo with pool and fast Wi-Fi near downtown tells them the size, a key feature, and the location benefit in just a few words. For the description, update details that matter most to guests, refresh your house rules, highlight nearby attractions that add convenience or charm, and call out unique features or recent upgrades like a new mattress or renovated kitchen. Use short, scannable paragraphs so it's easy to read on a phone and be straightforward about what guests can expect. Next, review your photos. Upload higher quality images, remove any outdated shots, and reorder them so your strongest image is the cover photo. Good lighting and tidy spaces make a big difference in how your listing performs in search and clicks through to booking. Move on to pricing. Adjust your nightly rate, cleaning fee, and any weekly or monthly discounts. If you use smart pricing, review those settings to be sure they still match your goals. Small tweaks can help you stay competitive without undercutting your value. Then check your amenities. Make sure items like Wi-Fi speed, a workspace, parking, self-check-in, and key kitchen appliances are accurate. The more precise you are, the better you'll match guest searches and improve your ranking. Open your availability calendar to update block dates, your minimum stay, and your check-in and check-out times. Keeping this current reduces inquiries you can't accept and improves the guest experience. Before you exit, always hit save. Some updates, like pricing, can apply instantly. That's it. Quick, clear edits that keep your listing fresh and booking ready.